Yeah, hello and welcome to another MCO update on Bitcoin. Just a quick update. We can see that the market has formed this expected dip. I only want to focus here on the shorter time frame. I charted with you in the previous update this potential C wave to the downside in the yellow scenario. But if it's the white count, it should actually drop further. So far, this is a three-wave pullback into Fibonacci support. The price has also reacted to this ascending trend line. And it is a valid five-wave move up, followed by a three-wave pullback. So it is technically a bullish setup. For this to play out, the market must hold, and this is a must hold above the 25th of May low. So must hold above that 106,550 level, because any break below that level is formal invalidation for this or of this 1-2 setup to the downside. Yeah, this would be the invalidation point. What could happen is that the market turns around here in this support region and starts a third wave rally to the upside. This would be possible as long as the market holds above that red line. Yeah, because below that red line, the 1-2 setup is just formally invalidated based on Elliott Wave rules. There is this additional support area between $107,360 and $108,930. And as long as the market holds this area, there is no sign that we will get this setup invalidated. So it is a valid setup. The market reacted earlier today to resistance, and we've now dipped into support. So if we now see a break above the B wave high, that is located at around 109,900, that would be an indication that a third wave rally to the upside might have actually started, wave 3. For now, there is not enough evidence, to say that we've bottomed there. But if we get any impulsive reaction to this Fibonacci support area, then a low might be in, especially if we break above that last high and also take out the 110,400 level, which is the swing high from Monday, the higher high. Yeah, and this would be the yellow count. This is the bullish count, basically showing upside continuation in a very direct fashion is possible. But we haven't seen any reaction yet to this micro support area. Now this takes us to the white scenario. In this white scenario, which is the bearish one, the market has put in a more substantial price top. Not saying that we are starting a bear market from here, but it is possible that we are starting a larger decline, a larger correction in this B wave, potentially in the low 90K region. And in this scenario, we're tracking the beginning of that correction. It's possible to call this a wave 1 to the downside, a wave 2 to the upside, and then a third wave down. That could also be an ABC structure, but I can't put too many scenarios here onto the chart. It should be clear that any 5-wave move down followed by a 3-wave move up could also be an AB. It doesn't make a great difference. It will make a difference to the downside in terms of targets then. But for now, it doesn't really matter because first of all, it's unclear whether it's a third wave down or a C wave. We first have to understand whether the yellow count still has a chance. And at the moment, it still has. Once this is invalidated, well, then I can give you a few more routes for further downside. But until we really have confirmation that we're heading down lower, this is simply waste of time. So that means you have a very clear invalidation point for the bullish setup. An invalidation of the bullish setup would likely send us lower in the white third wave. If that happens, if we see a break below the Sunday low, then I will remove the yellow count from the chart as it is, and we can sketch maybe tomorrow or the day after, sketch some more detailed roadmaps here to the downside. Important to note that at the moment, the microstructure is still evolving. We're likely dealing with some kind of correction. The microstructure itself hasn't really moved much in the last few days. So, we have to be flexible. There's still a range in microstructures itself are often not very reliable. So the context is important, and that really hasn't changed at all. That's the update on Bitcoin. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.